everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's draw this funny cartoon character. Here we are going to put hand on the sheet of paper. We're drawing the hands and legs of the cartoon. Let's draw the eyes. Let's color it now. Can you name the cartoon character in the comment section below? And look, it's ready. Let's draw a bunny, so put your 2 fingers on the white sheet of paper. We're drawing the ears of the bunny. Let's draw the legs, its tail, its black eyes, and look, your bunny is ready. And let's color it now. So we are going to draw. So we are using this pink color for the ears and rosy cheek of the bunny. We're also drawing heart shape and it's ready. We're going to draw this hand, so let's get started. First we're going to draw the shape of the hand and then we're drawing the beak, eyes of the hand. Similar way we're also making the legs and feathers. Take out your colorful sketch pens and color it, and look, we are doing multicolor on the feathers and it's done. We're going to put the hand on the sheet of paper in such a way we are drawing a wolf here. So draw the eyes and nose and then the pointy teeth as well. We're also drawing the ears like this. Let's color it now. We're doing this brown color and then yellow and it's ready. So we're going to make this shape using hand. We're drawing a dinosaur here. After this, draw the big eyes and then we're going to draw the pointy teeth as well. After this, we're going to color it. So take out your green sketch pen, color it. We are also drawing the yellow and orange color and it's ready. We're going to make easy hand drawing. Let's get started. So put your hand on the graph paper and draw the beak, and the hand is sitting on the top of the X. We're also drawing these 4 X. Let's color it now. We are using these different colors and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.